Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you 5 hidden apps on Windows 10. You might have come across some of these apps or not, but if you are the type of person that don't explore your PC once in a while, you might not find out about this app, or even if you do, it will take a while. So number one, we have the video editor. Yes, Windows 10 comes with a video editor that allows you to put together video projects. This video editor is free and has no watermark. So to access the video editor, you're going to head over to your taskbar, and then on the search field, you are going to search for photos. So when the search is done, you are going to find the Photos app as the best match. So the video editor is located within the Photos app. So at the top right here, you have different tabs. So one of the tabs is labeled the video editor. So when you click on the video editor tab right here, it will bring you to the video editor homepage. So down here, you find all the projects you have worked on in the past. And to start a new project, you can hit on this new video project button. So when you do that, the first thing it's going to need you to do is to name your video project. So I'm going to name this tutorial. And I'm going to hit on OK. So here is your video editor. So at the left right here, you have your project library. So here is where you import your videos and pictures you want to use to put together your video project. So to add videos or pictures to this project library, you can simply click on the add button right here to do that. Or you can simply drag in the picture or video you want to use for your project. So down here you have your storyboard. Here is where you place your videos and pictures in the order you want them to appear on your projects. So I can simply add a video or picture to my storyboard by simply hitting on this place in the storyboard button after I have highlighted the picture or video I want to add to the storyboard, or I can just simply drag the video or picture down to the storyboard. Immediately I do that, you observe that new buttons appear right here you can work with. So you can basically do all the basics of video editing. You can trim, you can split, you can add text, add motions, 3D effects, filters, and many more. So one downside about this video editor is that you cannot add transitions between two objects. So if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use the video editor, I have a video already on this channel on how to use the free video editors that comes with Windows 10. So you can go check that out. I have the link to the video in the description of this video. You can also find that at the end of this video. I know you might be wondering what's special about the calculator. Everyone knows about the calculator. But did you know that when you hit on this button right here, you get to choose different calculator right here. So right now we are set on standard. So we have the scientific calculator, we have the programmer. So down here you have the date calculation. So right here you can calculate the difference between dates. So when I input two different dates right here, down here I get the difference between the two dates. Down here, you also have different converters. So you can convert currencies, you can convert volumes, you can convert lengths, weights, temperature, energy, and a lot more. So if you're in the sciences, you can pretty much use this to your advantage. The Pen 3D is an application that comes with Windows 10 that you can use to put together designs in 2D and 3D formats. So to access the Pen 3D, you're going to go over to your taskbar, and on the search field, you're going to search for Pen 3D. So when the search is done, you are going to find the Pen 3D app as the best match. So you are going to click on the open button to open. So right here, you have the Pen 3D. So you have a lot of tools right here to work with. You have brushes, you have 2D shapes, we have 3D shapes, we have stickers, text. So right here on the 3D library, you have different 3D models to work with. Pen 3D is like your Blender application you can use to create 3D, but it's kind of a lower version of it and very easy to use. So one downside about the Pen 3D app is that unlike the Blender where you can, mold an object into something else, in Pen 3D you cannot do that. You have to be creative enough to combine different objects to form one to get what you want. So if you have a good knowledge of the Pen 3D app, that will not be a problem for you. So if you're interested in knowing how to use the Pen 3D app, I have a video already on how to use the Pen 3D app. You can check the description down below. I have a link right there. You will also see the video at the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful so far, please do well to support my channel by subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. The SNIP Sketch app is basically for taking screenshots from anywhere on your computer. So to access the SNIP Sketch, you can go over to your taskbar, and on the search field, you are going to search for SNIP and Sketch. When the search is done, you are going to find the SNIP Sketch app as the best match. So you are going to click on the open button to launch it. So when the Snip and Sketch app is open, you are going to see something like this. So right here, you have keyboard shortcuts to open Snip and Sketch in the future if you want to come back to it. So you can press the Windows logo key plus the Shift key plus the S key to launch the Snip and Sketch. Instead of going down to your taskbar, clicking on the search button and then searching for the Snip and Sketch app. So right here, when you hit on this new button, you get this little window at the top right here. So these buttons are for taking screenshots in different ways. So first of all, we have the rectangle snip. So when you click on the rectangular snip, you can take a kind of rectangular screenshot of any object by simply drawing the rectangle around the object. So when you do that, there you have your rectangular snip. Next, you have your freeform snip. So with the freeform snip, you can simply take freehand screenshots of an object, something like this. So there you have it. So up next, we have the window snip. With the window snip, you can take screenshots of an open window. So for instance, I want a screenshot of one of these windows right here. So all I can do is to simply click on the window, and there you have the screenshot of it. And lastly, we have the full screen snip. So as the name implies, is to take a screenshot of your whole screen. So at the top right here, you have different buttons. You have different pens you can use to add annotation to your screenshots. So that's it right there. You also have the eraser to undo what you've done. You can also save your work when you are done. You can copy, you can share. So at the left right here, you can create a new snip. So when you hit on it, you get these windows again where you can take screenshots however you want. So with the Microsoft Office app, you can access different Microsoft programs on the web. We have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive, and many others on the web. So to open the Office app, you are going to go over to your search right here, and then you are going to search for Office. So when the search is done, you are going to find the Office app as the best match, and then you are going to click on the open button right here to launch the app. Even if you are not a Microsoft 365 subscriber, you can access the Microsoft programs right here. So when you hit on this create button right here, you can create a new Microsoft Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, Excel workbook. You can create forms, quizzes, and sway pages. So down here, when you hit on any of the Microsoft program button, to bring you to the Microsoft programs homepage where you can start a new project or use any of the templates right there. And down here, you get to see all the documents you've worked on in the past. So that is it for this video, guys. Those are 5 of the hidden apps on Windows 10. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.